Somewhere. It ain't this earth, I'll tell you that.
Putting a turbo on a lawnmower. 1960 something lawnmower. Turbo. Modified. Where's it gonna go with, Bernie? Explain what you're doing here.
Turbo's gonna sit up here. Right around here.
You gotta open this up?
No, it's gonna sit just like that. Where's the turbo? Grab it. Grab it. It's gonna sit like right here. There's a plan.
What's your name?
Right around here. I don't know how I'm gonna stack it. I can stack later.
With a stack?
Yes. Go up, right out. Turbo noises.
Wow.
Something I can do. I don't have to spend money. Free stuff. I gotta screw this thing down or not?
Yeah. Ah. Making the exhaust plate. Is it working?
Yeah.
Stinks.
Yeah, it does. Oil.
Oil stinks. You drilled the one hole already?
Yep.
Nice. And that's gonna fit.
Right.
Bernie.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I might be able to use that later.
Yeah. And that one, Tim just found that thing for, is gonna be for this side, but Bernie's making the plate for that. So he's gotta get this. How's that, almost, Tim? No? Too big, too big. So we're gonna get this to go. What, you made all the holes, you think?
Yeah.
Careful. So that's gonna fit that now, everybody.
I think so.
You think so? Then you can grind it down and fit.
Oh, fuck.
What?
Well, it's not perfect.
Uh-oh.
But it should work.
Flip it around. Will it change anything?
No, it should work. I just gotta elongate that one.
Put a little
It
weld.
should work.
If you're worried about it.
I'm not worried about it. It should work still.
Yeah?
I just gotta
Wind that one out.
this one.
Okay. See how you do. See you guys in a few minutes. Me and Harry. Let's see what's going on. You're on YouTube now, Harry.
It's working. It's blowing. It's even blowing at
off. Shut it off. This one over here, maybe. Yeah. She works, dude.
A little bit of oil so that center shaft don't run dry.
Yeah. It spins.
That's good.
I mean, fuck, that's half the
It's
problem.
gonna be even better when you put a freaking gasket in there.
It was blowing hard. It was blowing.
Master Rican, brother. We're Master Rican.
Master Rican. Hell yeah.
It works.
You're going to jail for this.
Yeah.